Okay, tonight for dinner, we're having tortilla pizza. So I've got a big thing of sauce here because this has been a...
That looks orange from here, from camera.
It's not orange.
I know, but it looks orange. Don't look red though.
We spread it on our tortilla here. Move this stuff out of the way. And not a lot, just enough to say that there's sauce on there. Cavenders. Pizza seasoning. Thanks, dear. He just got done with his, so that tells you that it was good. Oh my goodness. As much seasoning as you feel comfortable putting on there. Low-fat mozzarella cheese. You put as little or as much as you want. I just try to cover it so that whenever it melts, it's a nice ratio of mozzarella to pepperoni. And I put between about 12 pieces on here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there it is. Then you put it on the grill. Shut the lid. Let it go for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on how done you want your pizza. Probably make mine a little bit more crispier than that.